complete with gale warning these days, but due to the depressing nature of the gale warnings, we'll just flag that bit of the forecast. We'll go straight to the forecast. At 6 o'clock last night, yes, we actually have the latest one. Today we had a low of 996 hectopascals, or millibars for those of you a wee bit behind the times, and that's 200 miles east-northeast of the Chathams, and is moving slowly east. Now an anticyclone over the northeast Tasman, that's one of those big things with the H in the middle, extends a ridge across the South Island, and the ridge is moving slowly east across the Chathams late today. It's Wednesday, you're right. Until 9 o'clock tonight, here's what we can expect. It doesn't look too bad. I suppose I better read it out. Southerly winds of 35 knots in the east of the area. Does that mean that Owenga gets 35 knot easterlies and we get fine weather? Who can tell? Anyway, but 25 knots elsewhere and easing slowly and mainly 15 knots by midday today. I can handle that alright. Winds becoming variable to 10 knots. Oh, that's a nice word, isn't it? 10 knots. Late this afternoon. Good stuff. Start again. A very rough sea, slowly easing, and a southwest swell of 2.5 metres easing. A northeasterly swell of 1 metre, hardly worth mentioning, and occasional rain with visibility to 5 kilometres overnight last night, clearing this morning. Well, it's actually cleared. The rain's disappeared, and I can actually see blue sky for the first time in a couple of days. And it looks like it could be a half reasonable sort of a morning. And the outlook for the following 18 hours, that's for tonight and tomorrow, a period of northwesterlies of 20 knots, and then light winds again. We can handle that. Summer is here again, people. Good morning. If you just turned the radio on at 7:36, you're with Radio Weka, 3WKAFM on a Wednesday morning. Not a bad sort of morning either. I've just got this, been looking through this. Where are we here? Got it. Through this little Mount Cook note that came flinging through the fax yesterday.